So the real question here is, why are people inside of the funnel team having so much success with myEcon? Well, I'm going to break that all down for you in this video, so stay tuned. What is up, my friend? Daniel here. Welcome to the channel. Good to have you here. If you're new to the channel, do me a favor, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. If you're checking out myEcon or the funnel team, looking for ways to make money online, make sure you watch this entire video. Also, if you want to see my full tutorial and overview on the funnel team and myEcon and what makes us so special and how we give you over $10,000 in free value, link in the description down below. Also, if you're ready to get started with myEcon and partner with the funnel team and snag all that free value, link in the description down below. So what I want to break down here is I want to break down all the different methods and tools that we offer our myEcon team members that help them become successful. So I've done a few other videos lately. You've seen them here on my channel where I talk about specifically our ATM method, where this is our Facebook group exclusively just for following the ATM method, which is add, tag, message. You can add your leads to this Facebook group. You can tag them in a post and then send them a message saying, hey, you may want to check this out. And inside of this Facebook group, we show you guys plain and simple. This is our team members getting out there, getting started, getting promoted, getting sales, multiple sales here, following the steps right here. I absolutely love this feedback right here. I'll read it to you real quick. What I want to let you know too is obviously if you watch this entire video, I'm going to break down for you the tools that we offer you that again enables our team members to find success with myEcon. So this isn't, luck. This is literally by design. So check this out. Misty says, this is the best company I've ever worked with. They provide step-by-step training, handle our marketing, sales emails, content, presentations, and more. The training is so clear, and even my ADD brain gets it. This week, I used their script to invite people to an online presentation. If you don't know this, every single week, we host our own team webinars where we do all the selling and telling for you and your leads. You can invite your leads to our webinar, and we'll close the sales for you. And our webinar, we also have that tied into our webinar sales funnel, which converts extremely well. I'm going to show you that as I jump over to the dry erase board and I kind of map out all of the different tools that we offer our team members. So she says three of them attended the webinar, two of them joined. So she got her leads to the webinar and closed the sales by getting her leads to the webinar. It's pretty simple and straightforward. She says, I'm so grateful to be part of this amazing company. If you're considering it, stop overthinking and take action. You won't find this value anywhere else for such a low startup cost. So think about that. When you join our team with the funnel team, you're getting over $10,000 in free value, all the tools that you need to get out and start marketing your myEcon business literally today. And again, I could continue and scroll through here. Someone like Clint, literally watching his son's football game, had a sale come in live while he was doing that. Catherine just literally tearing it up, getting sales left and right. It's just always great to see. Clint with another sale while he was woke up to 2 sales in the morning. So what I want to do is, this is just one of the methods that we use, and this is working extremely well right now, this Facebook group and this ATM method that I just shared with you. And I have other videos on exclusively just this method where I break it down a little bit more. But what I want to do is I want to head over to the dry erase board, and I just want to map out for you all the different tools that we offer for you if you're getting started in myEcon, or you're looking to, like, what's in it for me? What do I get by joining the funnel team? I want to head over to the dry erase board and map that all out for you so you can kind of see it for yourself. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to map this all out for you so you can see it. And no particular order. I'm just going to kind of start listing everything that we offer, whether it be, training or an actual link or, system that you can literally share that has something that you can use to promote your myEcon business. So I want to start with the funnels. We have a $20 sales funnel that you can use. Okay, so we have that. We have a $100 sales funnel. So as you know, in myEcon, okay, there's multiple different join levels that you can use. You have the $20 level, you have the $40 level, you have the $100 level. So we have 2 funnels that you can promote one or the other. Now, what's cool about the $100 sales funnel, the link that we use on the back end with myEcon, you have the $100 option, but you also have, kind of as a fail-safe, the $40 option. So we actually give them 2 options on the back of that funnel, which is really cool. Now we also have our webinar sales funnel. Okay, this is the funnel that we use. This is the replay of our Tuesday webinar presentation that we do, where you get to invite all your leads. And we show you this again as a tool inside of our Facebook group, inside of our team training site. You have that. So we teach you how to invite leads, how to get them there, what to say while they're on live with you, and then how to close the sale once the webinar is done. Okay, so we have a webinar sales funnel. So that's one. Then we also have what's called the GWP sales funnel. So this is kind of for those of you guys that have been around in the industry for quite some time, you might have heard of a front end system called Get Weekly Paychecks. This was used not only with myEcon, but also with a company called MCA. We cloned out their funnel, cloned out their sales video. And yes, we got permission to do this. We know the owner, Bill, and he's the one that literally had talked about doing this with us. So it was really, really cool to be able to do that. And that funnel converts like crazy because the GWP system just converted like gangbusters back in the day. So why not? It's the whole like, if it ain't broke, don't fix it type of thing. And their system worked really, really well. So I'm also going to blow this up for you here a little bit bigger so you guys can see it there. So other things that we also have a credit repair. Okay, we have a credit repair standalone sales page. Now, this is a way for you to market if you want to market the products by themselves. We built out a sales page. There's a sales video. It has all the data on it, which is really, really great. Compares the myEcon credit repair system compared to other credit repair companies out there on the market, the price points, it's all on the sales page. So that is another tool that you can use. So not only do you have sales funnels, which bring in, the monthly paying member, which brings in really the rep, the person that's looking to make money online. But if you want to turn around and you want to promote products or services, you can do that as well. And we're going to be adding more tools as well. We're going to be adding a retail travel page, which is probably going to be out in, I'd say, maybe the next 30 days. We're going to be adding that in. We might also do something around debt elimination, something around the, income shifting strategy or the W-4 adjustment, do something around there as well. So another tool that you have on our team is the ATM method, okay, aka our Facebook group, which you have the ability to invite people into where they can come and see social proof, which is very, very, very important. So I'm just gonna, put that in here too, social proof, right? So very, very important, and that's also why we close a lot of sales by inviting people to that group. They get to see other people just like you that are making sales and getting results. Now, other things that are also kind of tools, if you think about it, obviously we have our training. Now, inside of the training, we need to let me break this down for you so you can understand this. So we don't just teach social media marketing. That's so broad. I want to break it down for you so you can understand the varying levels of tools that we do have. So we specifically teach you YouTube. We specifically teach you TikTok. We specifically teach you Facebook, and we specifically teach you Instagram. We teach you all of those different things on our team. So again, it's not just, social media, or it's not just one specific method of social media like Facebook. We teach you and we break it down for you inside of our team training site. We also have those other methods of learning right there. And apparently I do need to shorten this up here a little bit because I'm thinking of other ways other tools that we offer here. And we specifically have others. So I want to make sure that those get a mention too. For those of you guys that like to do paid advertising, we also have a Craigslist training inside of our system. Okay. That's another tool that you can use if you want to do paid ads. We have a Craigslist training inside of our system. So we teach multiple different ways, multiple different tools that you can use. Picture having like a tool belt, you just have all these different methods, different ways, different styles of marketing your myEcon business. And that right there is really what's available with your myEcon business when you partner with the funnel team. Now, here's a question that I always get asked too. Like, if I come in at the $20 level, if I come in at the $40 level, if I come in at the $100 level, yes, my friend, you literally get access to all of this, no matter what level that you come in at. We don't discriminate. It's not like you have to come in at a certain level to get access to certain things. No, you get access to everything no matter what level that you join at. Really, the only big difference is on our team of what you get versus what you don't get at the three different levels is positions in our sales rotator. So that's, kind of a tool where we market your link for you. And if you come in at the 20, the 40, or the 100, you get 1, 5, or 10 spots in the rotator. So if you want more spots in the rotator and you want us to share your link more, then come in at the higher level. But it's also, when thinking of joining, I just want to explain this so you can understand this. You know, if you want to get $100 sales, be a $100 person, but don't have lottery ticket mentality and try to do the bare minimum and hope for the maximum result. That is lottery ticket mentality where, you're going to come in at the $20 level and you're going to hope and pray that you get $100 sales. It's most likely not going to happen. And that is specifically because, again, law of attraction. And that this is what you need to understand here. Just a little bit of psychology is we as humans, we get what we are, not what we want. So again, you want those higher ticket sales, be a higher ticket person. Lead by example, because the last thing you want to do is join at the $20 level and then have somebody say to you, well, okay, I'm ready to get started. What level did you come in at? Well, I came in at the 20. And then what? You're going to try to convince them to come in at a higher level so you can make more money? It doesn't really work out in your favor a lot of the times when you do that. So anyway, there you have it, my friend. Hopefully you got some value from that. Hopefully you understand everything that's on your screen. And these are just, off the top of my head, all the different tools that are available to you as a funnel team member with myEcon. So if you want to be on the winning team, my friend, go ahead, link in the description down below. As always, I left my phone number right here at the top of this video. If you have any questions whatsoever, reach out, send me a text message, and ask me anything. And also, if you are not aware, myEcon is going to be going global very, very soon. For the last 20 years, they have been, just exclusively here in the United States, and they're about to launch internationally. So if you want to be the first to know, if you are overseas, link in the description down below. You can get on our email waiting list and be the first to know when we go global. I'm telling you right now, once that happens, you're going to be you want to be right here on the inside and be part of that so you could take massive advantage, because not only our team size, but the company size, the thousands and thousands and thousands of members that myEcon has is going to 10x, over the next 6, 12, and 24 months. So trust me, you want to be on the inside and you want to be part of that. So appreciate you, my friend. Thank you for watching. Go ahead, links in the description down below for more information or to get started. And I will see you, my friend, on the next video. Take care.